Qiscus App Center has released a new add-on called Webhook Extender. To use the Webhook Extender, firstly, activate the Webhook Extender. Open the App Center menu and go to the Explore section. Search the Webhook Extender. Then, click the Contact Us button to activate the Webhook Extender. Fill in the required data when the Contact Us form appears. Then, send it by clicking the Submit button. Once the above process is done, the Webhook Extender will be visible on the My Apps page with the status requested. The Qiscus team will contact you about the next step. And at this stage, the activation status will change to Process. Once all steps have been completed, the Qiscus team will activate the Webhook Extender so that the users can change their settings and their status in My Apps changes to installed. After the Webhook Extender has been activated, click the Settings button and the Webhook Extender settings page will appear. Next, click the link Create a new event target. There are 5 types of events: bot, custom button, mark as resolved, custom agent allocation, and new session. You can select any event type and name it as you wish. You can also edit an event that has been created by clicking on Edit Event. On the Edit Event page, there are 3 options: Activate the event, Create new target, and Source. If you disable the Activate the event toggle button, the event status changes to deactive. You can reactivate the event by enabling the toggle button, and the event status will change to active. To create an event target, click Edit Event, then click Create New Target. Enter the name and destination URL, then click Create. Your new target has been successfully created. Next, you can go to Edit Target menu by clicking on an existing target. You can also disable any targets via the toggle button or rename, or change the destination URL or delete target. If you deactivate the toggle button, the event target status changes to deactive. You can reactivate it and the status will change to active. You can also delete a target by clicking Delete Target, and the target will then be deleted. Next, you can activate the bot event by clicking on Copy Link. Then, go to the Integration page and select Bot Integration. Enter the copied webhook link and then click Connect. To activate Custom Agent Allocation, click Edit Event. Then, just like before, click on Copy Link. After that, go to the Settings page and select Custom Agent Allocation. Enter the copied link and click Save. Custom Agent Allocation is now activated. To activate the custom button, click Edit Event and click Copy Link. Then, go to the Settings page and select Custom button. Enter the copied link and then click Save. You can look your Omnichannel inbox menu, then check Chat and Customer Info. You will now see the custom button, which you created earlier, appearing in this list.